Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss circulating capital, which includes fund and inventories also. So if you like the video, please share and subscribe. Circulating capital refers to that part of capital which is used up in a single production or business cycle and therefore needs to be replaced again and again. It is essential for continuous day-to-day running of production. So what it includes? Circulating capital includes many things. So it has two components. First is funds, that is money capital, and second is inventories. So funds are the money resources kept ready to meet regular short-term expenses. It includes cash in hand, cash at bank, wages and salaries, payment for raw materials, electricity, fuel, transport charges. For example, if a factory gives 5 lakh to pay workers' wages and buy cotton every month, this money is circulating capital or funds because it is spent and replenished repeatedly. Second is inventories, that is called stock also. Inventories are physical goods held for production or sale that get used up quickly. It includes raw materials like cotton, steel, wheat, whatever the industry or factory is. Work in progress are semi-finished goods, finished goods ready for sale. So we can understand with an example, cotton bought by a textile mill is converted into cloth and sold in the market. This stock is inventory, a part of circulating capital. So why it is called circulating capital? Because it is continuously changes its form. Money used for raw material for use for goods, and goods are sold for money. So, for example, the flow of the circulating capital is like that. Cash used to buy wheat, which made flour, and flour is sold and cash again gained. This constant movement is called circulation. So the features of circulating capital are used up in one production cycle. Its life is short. It changes form frequently, essential for smooth production. It includes both funds and inventories. So that's all.